Hello students, I'm going to discuss the quick solutions of All India AIATS Test Series Medical 2019 of test number 5 code ENF. Your test was held on 3rd of February 2019. I'll be dealing with the botany sections, so let's take up the botany section. The very first question in the botany section is question number 91. Question number 91 says that lifespan, first option, is a specific trait of each organism. Second is always correlated to the size of an organism. Third is about 60 minutes in E. coli. Fourth of crow is more than parrot. So in this particular question, you have to choose the correct option regarding the lifespan. Lifespan is always correlated to the size of an organism. It is incorrect because crow and parrot are almost of same size. But crow has a lifespan of 15 years, whereas parrot has a lifespan of 140 years. So, it is not always related to the size of an organism. Third is about 60 minutes in E. coli. No, in E. coli, which is a bacterium, it is of only 20 minutes. So, this statement is also incorrect. Fourth of crow is more than parrot. No, you just seen that the lifespan of parrot is 140 years, whereas the crow has 15 years of lifespan. So the lifespan of parrot is more than the crow, hence this statement is also wrong. See the first one, lifespan is a specific trait of each organism. This is true. It is very specific trait of each organism. So the correct option of the given question is option number 1. Let's see the next question. Question number 92. Select the correct match with respect to the vegetative propagules. First option, sucker, chrysanthemum. Second, bulbil, onion. Third, offset, banana. Fourth, leaf bud, agave. You have to choose the correctly matched pair over here. In chrysanthemum, you find the sucker. It is true. In onion, you can find the bulbil. No, bulbil is seen in agave, not in onion. So this is incorrectly matched. Third one, offset is seen in banana. No, offset is mostly seen in aquatic plants such as Pistia and Eichhornia. Next is leaf bud is seen in agave. No, leaf bud is seen in Bryophyllum. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 93. Plants like bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms are similar in A. Medium used for transfer of male gametes. B. Producing morphologically distinct gametes. C. Having internal fertilization. D. Formation of embryo. First option, all A, B, C and D. Second, only B and C. Third, only A, B and C. Fourth, only B, C and D. So you have to tell the similarities between all the plant groups which are given here, such as bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. They produce morphologically distinct gametes. It is true. All the members of these plant groups, they produce morphologically distinct gametes. They show oogamous type of reproduction where the female gamete is larger as compared to the male gamete and it is non-motile, whereas male gamete is generally motile. C. Having internal fertilization. It is also true for the all plant groups. The members have internal fertilization. The fertilization takes place inside the female body. D. Formation of embryo. Yes, they all are embryophytes. They bear embryo. Bryophytes are the first embryophytes, so they all have embryo. A. Medium used for transfer of male gametes. No. Bryophytes and pteridophytes, they use water as a medium to transfer the male gametes, whereas gymnosperm and angiosperms, they use air currents to transfer their male gametes to female gamete. So this is not common or similar between all the members of the plant groups. So the similarities are only B, C and D. By analyzing the option, you can say the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 94. Mark the incorrect statement. First option, in paramecium and amoeba, cell division is itself a mode of reproduction. Second, certain perennial bamboo species are monocarpic plants. Third, wheat and carrot lack recovery phase, interflowering phase in their life. Fourth, cucurbits have staminate and pistillate flowers on separate plants. You have to choose the incorrect statement out of the following given statements. First option, in paramecium and amoeba, both are unicellular. The cell division is itself a mode of reproduction. Yes, in unicellular organisms, the growth is synonymous with the reproduction. When they divide, the number of cells increases. This is a mode of reproduction too. So this is correct. Certain perennial bamboo species are monocarpic plants. Yes, it is also true. Monocarpic plants are those plants which flower only once in their life, and certain bamboo species are also monocarpic as they flower only once in their life. Third option, wheat and carrot lack recovery phase, interflowering phase in their life. It is also correct. Why? Because wheat and carrot both are monocarpic plants, and in monocarpic plants there is no recovery phase or the interflowering phase, as they just grow, mature, flower and die. The interflowering phase and the recovery phase is seen in polycarpic plants where they flower many times in a life. Fourth one, cucurbits have staminate and pistillate flowers on separate plants. What are staminate and the pistillate flowers? Staminate flowers are the flowers which bear only stamen in the reproductive structures, whereas the pistillate flowers bear only pistil in the reproductive structures. So these flowers are born on the same plant in case of cucurbits, as they are monoecious but on different branches. So this is incorrect statement. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 95. Which of the given structures, modes of reproduction, does not produce genetically similar individuals? First option, conidia of penicillium. Second, fusion of isogametes of cladophora. Third, eyes of potato. Fourth, birds of east. You have to tell that out of the following structures or the mode of reproduction does not produce genetically similar individuals. Genetically similar individuals are produced in asexual reproduction. Variations are seen in sexual reproduction. So any of the structure or mode of reproduction which is related to asexual reproduction or the vegetative reproduction, it will lead to produce the genetically similar individuals, whereas any kind of sexual reproduction will lead to formation of genetically dissimilar individuals, as they include variations. Now see the options. First option, conidia of penicillium. Penicillium is a fungus. It's a sac fungus. It produces asexual spores called conidia. Because these are asexual spores, they are produced by mitosis. Hence, they are genetically similar to their parent. So this option is ruled out. Third one, eyes of potato, again vegetative reproduction, so genetically similar individuals. This option is ruled out. Fourth one, birds of east, again it's asexual reproduction. This option is ruled out. Second one, fusion of isogametes of cladophora. When there is fusion of gametes, it is sexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction brings variations. Hence, the individuals are not genetically similar. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.